Now this is an old Northern Pacific Railroad Strauss Bascule Bridge. Now I'm gonna show you the painted design on this one too. This bridge was removed in 1976 when they had blew up the Canal, and then it was removed in December of 1976. Now this bridge was built in 1914, crosses the Lake Washington Canal located at Seattle, Washington. And this is Salmon Bay Bridge 4. And this is similar to the Great Northern Railroad Bridge across to the same channel, which is the Lake Washington Canal, but it's a two-track skewed Strauss here, Trunnion Bascule Bridge. Now I'm gonna show you how this bridge works. Yeah, it's raising. Yeah, it was raising for um, boats and ships. It's raised. Look at the detail. Yeah, this is a long one. This is a nice one though. See, look at this one. Yeah. A single track. 191 feet long. See. Now this is the first one that you see that the strut is connected on a on the vascular spin, and then it's connected, inside the counterweight and the counterweight bridge tower. That's the first one. Now that's a unique design by Joseph Strauss. Yep. Even though it's not a two-way counterweight, but it's connected inside. Yes. See that? Yeah, you see the shanty right there, and it's amazing. Same is built as the Great Northern Railroad Bridge. Yep. Let's see that. It's Lord. Yep, it's Lord. Look at that. The opposite view. This bridge is lowering. Yeah, this bridge is lowered. Yeah. It's lowered. Raising. Raised. Now I'm gonna show you the design plan. You see, this is the design plan of this bridge. Um, by you know, railroad age or railroad news, engineer news, railroad engineer news. So yeah, so this is the plan, and that's how the bridge was built. So yeah, so it's located in Seattle, Washington, crossing the Lake Washington Canal.